I'm going to take a look at 10 and 11. 10 and 11 wants us to find the length of FP and BF, where P is the centroid. Since we are given a centroid, that means we do have a median everywhere. That means AF is equal to FC, EC is equal to BE, we have DB is equal to DA. So what we're going to do is see that BP is 8. Before we even try to find FP and BF, what we need to do first is we need to kind of just define what the rules are. So for a centroid, the rules are consistent. So from vertices to centroid is from vertices to centroid is 2/3 of the median. So from a vertices would be considered to be the following points: B, C, and A. And the centroid is the only point P. So what this is saying is from the vertices to the centroid is 2/3. So we're going to start at B, go to P. We're going to go start at C, go to P. Then lastly, A to P. So that means everything in green is 2/3 of what the median is. Then, next we have from the centroid to opposite side is 1/3 of the median. So what that's saying is from the centroid point P to the opposite side could be the following. It means that it's meeting at point F, E, and D. So from the centroid to the opposite side is 1/3 of the median, which meets at points F, E, and D. P to F, P to E, and then DP. Alright, so what we're looking for is FP and BF in this problem. So the way we're going to solve that, I'll move that up a little. The way we're going to solve that is we're going to use the standard formula. We're given BP right away, and we're looking for FP. So we're going to find 10 and 11 in one fell swoop. So using these rules, our formula that we come up with is BP is equal to 2/3 of BF. So BP is 2/3 of BF, which is stated right here, the median. So remember the median is just a line from a vertex to the opposite side. So BP is the green, and BF is both the B is the BF. Then it goes all the way to the bottom, which is going to be the orange. 2/3 plus 1/3 equals 1/3, or equals to 1. So from here, we know BP, so we need to isolate BF because that's what we're solving for. So multiply 2/3, or the reciprocal, which is 3/2 to both sides. 2 cancels the 2, 3 cancels the 3, so you get 3/2 times BP equals BF. So now what we're looking for is isolated, and we have what are given. Stop. So now we can use our formula, and then we can just find the answer in one fell swoop, like I said. So from here, BP is 8, so we have 3/2 times 8 equals BF. 8 times 3 gives us 8, 16, 24, and 24 divided by 2 is 12. So you get 12 is equal to BF. Since 12 is equal to BF, the way we can solve this is kind of, straight up. So we answer number 11. It's 12. So the way you could think about it is this. You have from B to F is 12, so the full length, I know I'm writing over it, that's 12. If this is 12 and that's 8, how can we find that? So we can just use our line segment addition postulate, which states BP plus PF equals BF. And the way we can solve it, BP is 8. PF, we don't know it because that's what we're solving for, is equal to 12. From here, we have 8, which is the green. Then we have 12 is our full length, or PF is our third length. And then finally we have 12, which is both of them combined. Opposite of addition is subtraction. Subtract, so you get PF is equal to 4. So the final answer is it's equal to 4.